What's going on, everybody? This is the Auto Guys. My name is Kevin.
I'm Alex.
We are currently with our daily driven cars. That's a car driving by. It's okay, we're going to keep on going anyway. So, Alex drives the WRX, I drive the TC. We're going to talk to you a little bit about the other cars that we drive. This is the first video of the season of the channel and of our video of anywhere. I don't think we've ever been on a YouTube video or any type of video for that matter.
We decided to start this 2 months ago.
Yeah, 2 months ago we decided to talk about this and get a YouTube channel together.
And been
here we
fighting
are
it ever since.
Yeah, here we are. So today, what you guys are going to see, we're going to do a couple car washes today. We're going to do a car wash of the WRX, a car wash of the TC. We're going to take you guys along with a food, probably a food vlog.
I can see a food vlog.
I could definitely see food in our near future. It is currently snowing outside.
Yeah.
It is. It is currently snowing. There's another car coming by. We're going to keep on going. It's okay. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's 30-something degrees outside. It should be...
It's a perfect day to clean your car.
Perfect day to clean your car,
Make
especially
sure everything's good. And also another good day to do some oil changes, but they'll see that next video.
That's going to be the next video for you guys, and yeah, we'll go from there.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
I'm Alex. Here on the channel, we have 4 different cars. My 2 cars are the WRX, the more performance-oriented car that goes to the track, and then I also have an 04 TL. The TL is more of a show car in the sense where it's really low to the ground. It's more of just trying to get people's attention, as the WRX is more for the driver's enjoyment. A little bit about me. I work in the automotive field. I'm a service advisor at a car dealership. Been around cars my whole life. And yeah, fell in love with the WRX when I was 16 years old. When I first saw it. And then they came out with a new body style that looks like the Evo. Saw it in the very rare red color. Decided that I had to buy one. 3 years later, I found one for a good price, and I picked it up, and ever since then I've been enjoying it. Decided to start bumpy road. Decided to start the channel with one of my good friends, Kevin, and we look to bring you guys really good content. But today is just a minor day of maintenance and car washes and stuff like that, and we hope to bring you guys along for the ride. Giggity.
How'd you guys like that time lapse? Pretty good. I would say it's pretty good. It's a little cold outside. I will say it did warm up. It is now 34 degrees outside. 2 seconds ago it did say 37.
It did. Kind of looks stupid now, but
Yeah,
that's okay.
it was a little warmer, but it's not. No, it's not. All right.
All right. Well, now that I'm frozen solid, I can't feel my feet, and I feel like a figure skater.
You still have to go back and dry your car off.
We still have to go back and dry my car off and then get your car and do it all
we
over.
didn't bring any of that stuff. No, we didn't bring any of that stuff with us. Mexico. I'm not sure why I turned it off. What's going on, guys? It's Kevin. We are currently in the 2014 Scion TC. This is my daily driven car. My other car is a Nissan Skyline GTS 4. It is the all-wheel drive version of the GTS. I am a computer guy. I work on computers Monday through Friday, and sometimes on the weekends. Sorry, there's a lot of noise in the back of this car. It is the camera car and also the car that brings all the cleaning equipment to all the car needs. Well, we're going to be doing a lot of stuff this year. This car is going to get work done. We're going to dial in the setup. We have a lot of parts coming in. And of course the GTS 4. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff with that too. Alright guys, talk to you guys in a little bit.
Alright guys, just got done cleaning both the cars. We're headed off to lunch right now. It was cold, it was a whopping 36 degrees outside, but they needed to be cleaned. Of course, we didn't dry off the TC because it's silver and we don't really care. And now we're off to get some food, and yeah, should we take them with us?
I think we should.
Alright, so you guys are coming with us. We're gonna have a beer, a burger, and you'll join us, and then we'll catch you back up. Thank you.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We did a little bit of everything today. We cleaned both of the cars.
Including with that brush, but swear we're getting them detailed, so
Yeah,
please don't roast us in the comments, because they're getting cleaned.
Yeah, they're getting detailed. We have a lot of things in store for you guys, especially with going on this year. This is going to be doing a lot of stuff this year, for that matter.
We got everything from Skyline mods to track days to car shows.
Dialing in our current builds, which you guys will find out about in the next couple of videos.
Yep.
The Skyline, we are going to do a little bit of maintenance on it today. This is going to see a little bit of maintenance on it as well today. But that's going to be in your next video.
Yeah. So
right.
Stay tuned, and hope you guys enjoy the channel.
All right. See you guys soon.